So you talked about meeting the needs, and obviously the last 18 months, there's been unprecedented changes to what those needs are. And so what do you think has been most critical over the last 18 months to ensure that grocery supply chains are still able to meet those needs?
I think we've seen over the last 20 months with the pandemic and other changes, we've seen unprecedented volatility. Volatility of supply, volatility of demand. And the industry has had to be that much more agile as a result. And therefore, supply chain executives in operations everywhere, and CEOs are looking for solutions that enable their organizations to be agile and react quickly to those changes, whether they be in supply or in demand.
You've talked a lot in this interview and in other interviews about how the people running the day-to-day operations are crucial in enabling this adaptation, whether that's the chief supply chain officers, the pickers and packers in the stores, or even those in the warehouse and distribution centers. So given how pivotal the people are, what is the role of technology in helping support and enable these people to be more efficient in these roles?
What we've seen, particularly this year in 2021, as the economies start to recover from the pandemic, is the increasing demands on people, operational people, supply chain and operations teams. And we've seen how pushed those people are. And we've also seen the dash for talent. Talent in those areas is in short supply. What technology can do is it can enable those people to make the very, very best use of their time and to make the decisions based on insights, not on opinions, and not through just trying to put together data.
So Chris, you've talked a lot today about the different processes and tools and people that are required to make grocery supply chains more efficient. If you had to leave one final remark for the future supply chain professionals of our world, what would it be?
The expectation on us as supply chain professionals is that we make the best use of the world's resources, whether they be human or whether they be natural resources. And I think we look to systems providers to give us those systems that help us make those best use of those resources.